Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn this delicious and super healthy sweet treat that you can try as a dessert or just as the normal Diwali sweets for the upcoming festivities. It is called the date and dry fruit roll, or also called Khajur Barfi. So to begin with, use any dates of your choice and start by de-seeding them. This recipe is super easy and quick to follow. You do not need to soak the dates and is a super healthy substitute for the Diwali sweets which are loaded with sugar. Cut the dates into smaller cubes. You can also grind them to a smooth fine paste, but to have the texture to the date roll, it's better to cut it into smaller pieces. Your kids are definitely going to enjoy the sweet treat, so do try it out. In a heated pan, dry roast 1/4 cup of chopped cashew nuts and 1/4 cup of mixed dried nuts. So you have taken sunflower seeds, watermelon seeds, chia seeds and sesame seeds. Roast them for about 3 to 4 minutes and transfer to a separate container. In the same pan, roast some sesame seeds until brown. This is for the coating. Then heat 3 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter in a pan and add the chopped dates and mix until they are soft and mushy in texture. Once the dates are soft enough, add the roasted dry fruits to it and mix really well. For added flavor, you can add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder or completely skip this step. Roll the dough into a log and set aside to cool completely. For coating, add the roasted sesame seeds or poppy seeds on a plate and roll the log really well until it's well coated. Use a silver foil to wrap it tightly so that it holds its shape, and let it cool in the refrigerator for 30 minutes before slicing. The delicious and super healthy Khajur Barfi is ready to be served. Try this recipe for this festive season and let me know your views in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share it with your family and friends, and a like as well. Halloween and Diwali are almost crashing, and hence Costco is just full of Halloween sweets, treats and decorations. Look at the eyeballs here. One section of Costco was decorated for the Halloween theme and the other section was decorated for Christmas. It's just October, but people are way ahead of their time. If you visit Costco, then I would highly recommend you to try this Ajinomoto chicken and vegetable gyozas. These are really good. If you're a Momo fan, you will like this for sure. I'll see you all in my next video with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care and stay safe.